Welcome to my channel. In this video, present and past verb forms. Watch. I watch TV. I watched TV last night. Eat. I eat breakfast. I ate breakfast yesterday. Go. I go to work. I went to work yesterday. Brush. I brush my teeth. I brushed my teeth this morning. Study. I study English. I studied English last night. Send. I sent an email. I sent an email today. Play. I play tennis. I played tennis yesterday. Love. I love this song. I loved that song yesterday. Like. I like hot tea. I liked hot tea this morning. Hug. I hug my friend. I hugged my friend this morning. Draw. I drew flowers. I drew flowers yesterday. Save. I save money. I saved money last week. Spend. I spent time with family. I spent time with family yesterday. Throw. I throw the ball. I threw the ball yesterday. Catch. I catch the ball. I caught the ball today. Type. I typed the message. I typed the message just now. Write. I write notes. I wrote notes yesterday. Need. I need more time. I needed more time yesterday. Give. I give her flowers. I gave her flowers yesterday. See. I see the sun. I show the sun today. Meet. I meet new people. I met new people today. Sit. I sit on the chair. I sat on the chair just now. Stand. I stand at the door. I stood at the door yesterday. Enjoy. I enjoy quiet time. I enjoyed quiet time last night. Zip. I zipped my bag. I zipped my bag this morning. Wait. I wait for my friend. I waited for my friend yesterday. Tie. I tie my shoes. I tied my shoes before school. Talk. I talked to my friend. I talked to my friend yesterday. Show. I show my ID. I showed my ID at the gate. Paint. I paint my wall. I painted my wall last week.